Everyone says you need developers to deploy AI agents. But Microsoft just proved them wrong, and it's about to shift how businesses automate work. Hey everyone, I'm Mohammed, founder of MDigitalDev. Today we're diving into one of the biggest announcements from Microsoft Build 2026, a tool that's going to change how non-technical teams control AI agent behavior without writing a single line of code. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this works, why it matters for your business, and how it can cut your AI implementation timeline by weeks. Let's jump in. Here's the reality most business owners don't see. According to a recent study by Forrester, 68% of companies implementing AI automation report that custom development delays are their biggest constraint. You've got ideas, you've got budget, but you're waiting weeks, sometimes months, for developers to write code, test it, debug it, and deploy it. That delay costs money. It costs momentum. It costs competitive advantage. At MDigitalDev, we work with businesses facing this exact bottleneck. Teams come to us saying, Mohammed, we have an AI opportunity, but our dev team is backed up 6 months. That's the problem we see constantly. Microsoft heard this pain point from thousands of enterprises, and they just released something specifically designed to solve it. So what is this tool? It's a new AI behavior testing framework unveiled at Microsoft Build 2026 that lets you describe AI agent behavior in plain English, literally just text, and the tool spins up functional test scenarios without code. Think about it this way. Instead of a developer writing 200 lines of Python to test how your AI agent handles customer support escalations, your ops manager just types. Test how the agent responds when a customer is angry and mentions a refund request. Done. The tool generates the test, runs it, and gives you results. According to TechCrunch's coverage of the announcement, this framework reduces behavior configuration time by approximately 70% compared to traditional custom development approaches. That's not incremental improvement. That's transformational. What makes this different from other no-code AI tools? It specifically focuses on agent behavior control, not just deploying agents, but fine-tuning how they act, react, and handle edge cases, the stuff that usually requires technical expertise. Here's what gets me excited about this. It democratizes AI automation across your entire organization. Previously, you needed a developer in the loop for every behavior adjustment. Your operations manager had an idea? Developer queue. Your customer service director noticed a pattern? Developer queue. Your product team wanted to test a new customer interaction flow? Back of the developer queue. Now, those non-technical leaders can iterate directly. According to Microsoft's initial documentation, teams using the tool reported an average of 14 days faster time to deployment for AI agent implementations. That's 2 weeks you're not waiting. 2 weeks you're ahead of competitors still stuck in the old model. At MDigitalDev, we're already seeing how this changes the game. Clients who previously needed us for all the custom coding now use tools like this to handle the testing layer. And we focus on the strategy and integration, the higher value work. It's actually making the whole automation process faster and smarter. Let me walk you through a real scenario so this makes sense. Imagine you're an e-commerce company deploying an AI agent to handle customer inquiries. Old way. Developer writes code to test how the agent handles different customer moods, product questions, complaint types. Takes weeks. New way with Microsoft's tool. Your customer service manager writes 5 different customer scenarios in plain English. The tool generates test cases automatically. The AI agent runs through them. You get back data showing exactly where it succeeds and fails. Your team iterates on the agent's instructions. Retest. Done. No developer bottleneck. No waiting. Just iteration at the speed of thought. The tool integrates with Microsoft's Azure AI Services ecosystem, meaning it works seamlessly with Claude, GPT-4, and other models you might already be using. That's crucial because it means adoption friction is almost zero. It fits into existing workflows. So why does this actually matter for your bottom line? First, speed. Deploying AI automation weeks faster means you're capturing value faster. In competitive markets, that's the difference between leading and following. Second, cost. Every week a developer spends on behavior testing is a week they're not building new features or optimizing other systems. Microsoft's data suggests this tool reduces developer time on testing by 60 to 70%, freeing up technical resources for higher impact work. Third, accuracy. Non-technical team members actually understand customer and operational contexts better than developers do. When they can directly specify agent behavior, the AI agent better reflects real-world requirements. It's a control quality improvement. Third, scalability. Need to deploy agents across 10 different business processes? Instead of hiring contractors or overloading your dev team, your teams can configure and test rapidly in parallel. Look, this tool is still fresh from Microsoft Build 2026. It's not everywhere yet, but here's what I'd recommend. 1. If you're considering AI agent automation, start thinking about where you have non-technical stakeholders who understand the problem deeply. Those are your first candidates for this tool. 2. Don't wait for perfect integration. Microsoft's framework is backward compatible with existing AI workflows, so you can start experimenting immediately without ripping out current systems. 3. This is a long-term shift. The companies winning with AI automation over the next 2 to 3 years won't be the ones with the biggest dev teams. They'll be the ones who've democratized AI configuration across their whole organization. This tool is exactly that democratization. If you're looking to implement AI automation and want guidance on where to start with these new tools, that's exactly what we do at MDigitalDev. We help businesses identify high-impact automation opportunities and deploy them faster than ever before. Here's my question for you in the comments. What's one process in your business that's currently stuck waiting for developer time? Drop it below. I genuinely want to know what's holding you back. Subscribe right now so you don't miss our breakdown next week on the 5 AI agent mistakes that cost businesses 6 figures annually. Hit that bell notification too so you catch it the day it drops. And if you're serious about cutting your AI implementation timeline and automating without waiting, visit MDigitalDev.com to see how I can help your business move faster with AI automation. Next week, we're breaking down the 5 AI agent mistakes costing businesses serious money, patterns I'm seeing across our clients right now. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Catch you in the next one.